The Bitcoin price is still consolidating in our upwards rising bull flag here, but I found a pattern that might give us a clue where the Bitcoin price might be going next in these coming hours. And that is, of course, something that I want to show to you guys. So definitely stick with me here, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and also activate the notification bell so that you will never miss out on these important updates as I throw them out. And let's directly go here into the charts. So I want to start off first here on the daily chart again, and we still see here this a bearish divergence on the daily chart. So, and it looks like that this might be slowly, really slowly starting here to play out. So just let me make this here like this. So once we are breaking here under $22,600 approximately, we can be sure that the bearish divergence is playing out and that we might head lower here in the imminent short term, because we still have this massive resistance zone here that Bitcoin can just not tear through for the time being. But this might actually change in the next coming hours, potentially over the weekend. So, and one reason for this is here on the 4-hourly chart, our bull flag that we are having here with the potential target of $25,400 approximately. That is still something that I'm closely watching here, how this is playing out, because we are right now still above the upper resistance line here and clinching onto it. And if we can see a bounce here to the upside, then we can say, yes, it's confirmed. The bull flag is playing out and we gonna see this price target. The stochastic RSI is also bullish right now here, as we just created a buy signal in the last candle. And we need to wait the next 6 hours to see how the next candle that is coming here, how this candle is playing out. But for the time being, we are kind of in no man's land unless we drop here back into the flag and drop it to the bottom. Then, of course, the bearish scenario is playing out. But for now, we are still above the upper resistance line and we have to wait a little bit. But here comes now a pattern that I have found just a couple minutes ago that I wanted to show you guys. And that is a descending broadening wedge on the hourly chart. So here you can clearly see when we come into a descending falling wedge, we come out of a move like this, and then we start to create the first lower high, create the next one. From there, we go into a lower low. Then we have another lower high. Another lower low. And of course, this continues on the way down as we go with creating other lower highs. So, and now the question is, will we see another lower low before we go higher, or are we close to a breakout from this structure? So if we get here again a touch on the lower end, then I think we're gonna invalidate this pattern and we will break to the downside. But right now we have a bullish setup here for a breakout to the upside out of that structure that we are seeing here to the upside. And that is of course something that we should definitely have an eye on over the next coming hours. And we can also see that we have here a small channel going on. So another falling wedge, you could say. Just let me make this another color so that you can see that a little bit better. There we see right now a retest in this hourly candle here out of that potential small falling wedge here. So, and if we would see a breakout to the upside, then of course we're going to retest this upper trending resistance line here. So, which is of course here actually downward sloping. So, and if we break this to the upside, then we only have to break $23,150 approximately to break out of the range that we have here. So now let's make this a little bit more visible for you guys. So there you can see it. So we're here stuck in this range, bouncing up and down in between this range. But now we have a bullish setup again, as we had it here with the W pattern that broke massively out to the upside. The only question is, will we see here another breakout to the upside? Will we break finally through $23,200 approximately to go here to the upside? And if we do, and we close a 1 hourly or 4 hourly candle above that level, that is where I go massively long here in the short term with a small mid-size position, I would say, because we have now multiple times tested these levels, even here close to $24,000 here, and multiple times we were above $23,200 already. So the likelihood that we break it to the upside is increasing if we get there, because the more often we test a level, the more likely it's gonna break, because it weakens every time that we test a level. That the same goes if we go to the downside. So but here we have a bullish setup, and I'm waiting for a breakout out of this descending broadening wedge here, either to the upside or to the downside. So but you have to understand, this is a bullish pattern which tends to break to the upside. Also, when we go into the higher time frames here, again to the 4 hourly, we are still riding the super guppy trend. So, and the trend is your friend until the end. We are clearly here in an uptrend, so the chances that we actually see this breakout are definitely higher, in my opinion, right now, than to see a drastic move to the downside. And guys, don't forget, if you want to trade with me this breakout, potential breakout with me together, sign up on BYBIT. There you still get $30,000 absolutely for free, only with this specific link here. And also on Bitget, $20,000 absolutely for free if you sign up with my link in the pinned comment below and in the description of this video. That's already everything for today's video, guys. Let me know, do you believe that we're gonna break out of that bullish structure, this descending broadening wedge here, or will we to the upside, of course, or will we see a failure of the breakout to the upside and we actually go lower and create a bearish move here in the imminent short term? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you then again tomorrow.